Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the enter your PIN to restore your chat history issue on Messenger. If you're seeing this message and can't access your chats, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the same account. Tap on the menu option at the bottom right. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Here you'll see the option to reset PIN. If you forgot your PIN, just reset it and create a new one. Once done, go back to your computer. Enter your new PIN when prompted. The warning message should now be gone. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.